Imagine this. Two AI systems fail at the same task. One says, let me improve my English. The other says, maybe I wasn't the right system to make the decision. Same failure, two completely different responses. The difference, one is intelligent, the other is self-aware. And the difference will define the future of technology. And that difference will define the future of technology. Hi, this is Shruti and welcome to Codeforce Chronicles. Today we are not just talking about AI, we are exploring a shift that changes how systems are designed, understood and trusted. This is based on my book, The Rise of Self-Aware Systems. Let's challenge something. We have always assumed. We think intelligence is enough. If a system can predict accurately, optimize decisions, learn from data, we call it smart. But here's the flaw. Intelligence without identity is incomplete. Because without identity, a system doesn't know how it should behave. Self-awareness is not about consciousness. Let's be very clear. It's about contextual identity, meaning a system understands what it is not, where it should act, where it should step back. This is subtle, but extremely powerful. Behavior is not fixed. It is role driven. Let me show you something simple but deeply important. Now don't look at this as just code. Look at it look at it as behavior. Two identities, advisor and executor. Same failure. Different response. But why? Because an advisor improves thinking and an executor improves execution. The system is not reacting to failure, it is reacting based on who it is. That is self-awareness in action. Let me give you a powerful realization. Traditional AI outcome is correction. Self-aware AI outcome is identity check and correction. That extra step changes everything. Because now decisions are aligned. Behavior is consistent. Systems don't overstep. They act with clarity of goal. Now imagine this in real companies. A decision system that knows I should not take this decision. I should escalate it. A support system that knows this is not just a ticket, it's a customer trust issue. A strategy system that knows this aligns with growth but not with long-term stability. That's not automation. That's responsible intelligence. Now let's go deeper. If systems can understand their rules, their boundaries, their impact, then what defines control? The answer is identity layer. Who decides what identity a system should have? That is context, integration. And more importantly, can that identity change? that is governance frameworks. This is where philosophy meets technology meets philosophy. If you're watching this, you're early. Most people are still learning tools, but you are understanding systems, and that difference will define your career. Now, I want you to do something important. Don't just watch this and leave. Go to my blog, follow it, read one article, comment your thoughts. Because growth doesn't come from watching, it comes from engaging. Let me leave you with this. Intelligence answers questions. Self-awareness questions itself. And the future belongs to systems that can do both. Like this video, comment self-aware if you understood the concept. Share with someone serious about tech. Subscribe to Codeforce Chronicles, follow my blog. Let's not just learn the future, let's understand it before everyone else. This is Shruti, and I'll see you in the next video.